Hi, how are you doing? Today you can see that I'm going to draw the map of Bulgaria here. So it has several borders with the Romania on the north, Serbia here, Macedonia on the west line, and Greece on the south, Turkey on the south, and in this side you can see the Black Sea on the east side. So to know about the locations and the geographical positions of any country and the surrounding countries with which it has the borders, you have to know the maps and other practical implementations. Is that if you want to travel around the world, so you can have a clearer idea of the locations where you are going, what you want to do know, and many things you can learn from the maps and the geographic studies. Also from the demographic studies you can know about the cultures, peoples, everything. So usually the map doesn't change, so I have drawn an outline, so you have to memorize it. And then you can do have practice, lots of practice, so that you don't forget it. So it doesn't change when in some special circumstances because of the wars or any other situation it may change, but usually it doesn't change. So I'm starting the drawing from the top, you can see. So I'm going through the outlines and putting the whole color of the marker here, sign pen, and just moving around it so you can see the shapes of the country. So coming from these corners, just drawing the south side, and it's moving very fast to the west line. Then I'm connecting these two borders and coming up, meeting these 2 points. So this is the usual drawing of the Bulgaria. Now I can do the the darker inside, so it's like a little bit soft color, so that it doesn't have much contrast with its surroundings. So I'm putting the soft colors to uh, make the positions of the country looks good and separate from the surroundings area, because the surroundings is the white color. All right, now you can use the blending stumps, or you can use the the tip of the fingers to blend the whole colors within the paper and to make it smooth and easy, so that it does looks good. Awesome. Okay. All right, so Bulgaria is drawing is almost complete, you can see here. Awesome. Okay. Black Sea, Turkey, Greece, so it's in Europe, you can see. So Greece is also in the European Union. All right, Romania, Macedonia. So there's the drawing. I hope you like it, and you can do the practice at home. Lots of drawings, lots of countries, so many options. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.